Me again. We're outside. I'm going to show you the outside of the home and kind of how it looks. Of course, we're in the veranda. Back up those stairs, doors that we saw earlier. There's the garage. Kind of back up a bit and let you see from this side. You got a circle drive. Take you out on the street. Got the golf course right across from you. Golf cart house. Nice big golf course. Side yard back around back. There's that basement door.
Do they file surveys as public records with the deed sometimes?
Say it again, I'm sorry.
Huh?
Say that again, I'm sorry.
Can we get a survey? I don't know. We know where the property line is. That's what I'm.
We know the approximate.
That's what I'm saying. Does it go to out to there? Does it go to
The
here?
only way to know for sure is to get a survey.
But there has to have been a survey. In West Virginia, we file the surveys with our, as an exhibit with our deeds.
Maybe the original plat, but from 1969.
Well, that would identify the 30 feet or whatever. Whose that is?
Right.
I would assume, but maybe I don't know. Are your records online out here?
Registered deeds is, yes.
Is it done by tax map, district tax map and parcel, or
Yeah.
rental grantee?
Parcel number, yeah, parcel ID. What did you find out about this?
I hadn't got that for yet.
Okay. And then we're back around to the garage. Do what? Little storage here off the garage, but I don't have a key for that. So, it's 805 Country Club, inside and outside tour.